flood watch in effect from 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Clay County in northern Texas, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Ryan, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Other strong storms extended east to near Petersburg. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eureka, Ringling, Ryan, Terrell, Hastings, Addington, Sugden, Southern Warringah Lake, Grady, Oscar, Cornish, and Petersburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.